Exercise 7.2 from question number 15. Okay. X upon 9 minus 4x square. Let 9 minus 4x square equal to t. It means minus 8x dx equal to dt. And x dx equal to minus 1 by 8 dt. Okay. Now put in this integration of x 9 minus 4x square dot dx. X into dx equal to minus 1 by 8 dt by t. dt by t. Now minus 1 by 8 log t plus c. Okay. Now put the value of t is equal to minus 1 by 8 log 9 minus 4x square plus c. हो गया. Next question number 16. e raised to power 2x plus 3. Let 2x plus 3 equal to t. It means 2 into dx equal to dt. dx equal to 1 by 2 dt. Now this is the integration of e raised to power t dt. e raised to power dt by 2. इसको हम लोग क्या लिखेंगे? इंटू डी एक्स इंटीग्रेशन तो e raised to power t और ये हो गया dt by 2. इट मीन्स 1 by 2 e raised to power t plus c. ओके. तो 1 by 2 e raised to power 2x plus 3 plus c. हो गया. Simple. Next 17. X upon e raised to power x square. Okay. Let x square equal to t. It means 2x dot dx equal to dt. x dot dx equal to 1 by 2 dt. Now in this integration of x e raised to power x dot dx equal to 1 by 2 dt and e raised to power t. Integration 1 by 2 dt. It means e raised to power minus t. Integration of this is 1 by 2 e raised to power minus t divided by minus 1 plus c. The answer is minus 1 by 2 1 up e raised to power t plus c. The next question number 18 is e raised to power tan inverse x upon 1 plus x square. Let tan inverse x equal to t and the differentiation of this is 1 upon 1 plus x square dot dx equal to dt. Now put in this e raised to power t into dt. Okay, dx upon this equal to dt. So e raised to power t dt. It is equal to the e raised to power t plus c. e raised to power tan inverse x plus c. Okay. Question number 19. Question number 19 is e raised to power 2x minus 1 upon e raised to power 2x plus 1. e raised to power 2x minus 1 divided by e raised to power x. e raised to power 2x plus 1 दोनों को हम लोग e raised to power x से डिवाइड करेंगे. तो यहाँ क्या आ जाएगा? e raised to power x माइनस e raised to power माइनस x और डिनोमिनेटर में e raised to power x प्लस e raised to power माइनस x. अब हम लोग इसमें से इसको t मानेंगे. इसको t. लेट e raised to power x plus e raised to power minus x equal to t. And the integration of this e raised to power x minus e raised to power minus x dx equal to dt. Okay. Now put in this e raised to power x minus e raised to power minus x upon e raised to power x plus e raised to power minus x dot dx. तो ये हो गया आपका 1 upon t dt upon टी, क्योंकि ये तो हो गया डी टी और ये हो गया टी, तो डी 1/t मीन्स log t, इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ दिस log t. Now put the value of t. T is e raised to power x plus e raised to power minus x plus c. Okay. The question number 20. Let this one is e raised to power 2x plus e raised to power minus 2x equal to t. Differentiate 2 common, 2 e raised to power 2x minus e raised to power minus 2x, 2 यहाँ भी आएगा, into dx dt. It means e raised to power 2x minus e raised to power minus 2x dx equal to dt by 2. Now putting this, so we get 1 by dt by 2t, dt by 2t. It means 1 by 2 log t plus c. इंटीग्रेशन क्या होता है, 1 by t log t. It means log t means e raised to power 2x plus e raised to power minus 2x plus c. 10 square 2x minus 3. Let 2x minus 3 equal to t. It means 2 times dx equal to dt, or the dx equal to dt by 2. Now this one is integration of 10 square 2x minus 3 dot dx. इसको हम लोग बाइफरकेट कर देते हैं फॉर्मूला में. 10 स्क्वायर थीटा इक्वल टू सेक स्क्वायर थीटा माइनस 1. इट मीन्स सेक स्क्वायर 2x minus 3 dx minus integration of 1 dot dx. Okay, so it is equal to the 1 by 2 sec square t dt, dx equal to dt by 2 and minus 1 dx. 1 by 1 dx means 1 dot dx. So it is equal to the half of 10t and integration of 1 dx is equal to x plus c. Now put the value of t equal to 2x minus 3 minus x plus c. Okay. Next question number 22. Next question is sec square 7 minus 4x. Let 7 minus 4x equal to t. It means minus 4 dot dx equal to dt, or the dx equal to minus 1 by 4 dt. Okay. Now put in this sec square t and dx equal to dt by minus 4. It is equal to the minus 1 by 4. Differentiation of sec square t is 10t plus c. It is equal to the 1 by 4 10 7 minus 4x plus c. The next is sin inverse x upon under root 1 minus x square. तो यहाँ पर हम लोग क्या ले लेंगे, let sin inverse x equal to t. The differentiation of sin inverse x is under root 1 upon under root 1 minus x square dx equal to dt. Now take integration. It is equal to the t dot dt. The integration of t is t square by 2 plus c. T square is sin inverse x whole square by 2 plus c. Okay. Next question number 24. The question number 24 is 2 cos x minus 3 sin x upon 6 cos x plus 4 sin x. It means इसको simplify कर लेते हैं, नीचे common लेंगे 2. Take 2 common in this. It means 3 cos x plus 2 sin x. Okay. अब इसमें हम लोग क्या ले लेते हैं, 3 cos x plus 2 sin x equal to t. Now differentiate. Cos x is equal to minus, differentiation of cos x is sin x, minus 3 sin x plus 2 cos x equal dx equal to dt. यानी जो न्यूमरेटर में है ये वही आ गया। तब लोग इंटीग्रेशन करेंगे, 2 cos x minus 3 sin x by 2 times 3 cos x plus 2 sin x dx. It is equal to the dt by 2, okay, dt by 2 and 1 upon t. This is the t. Okay, it means 1 by 2 log t plus c. Integration of 1 by t is log t. Therefore 1 by 2 log t is 3 cos x plus 2 sin x, 2 sin x plus c. Okay, next 25. The question of 25 is 1 upon cos square x 1 minus tan x whole square. 1 upon cos square x is sec square x upon 1 minus tan x whole square. Now 1 minus tan x equal to t. 1 minus tan x equal to t. The minus tan x sec square x, differentiation of tan x is sec square x. Okay, so now the integration change, sec square x dot dx upon 1 minus tan x whole square. It is equal to the minus dt by t square. Okay, so take minus बाहर, 1 upon t square dot dt, t raised to power minus 2. तो जब इसमें प्लस 1 करेंगे तो ये क्या आ जाएगा, t की पावर माइनस 2 यानी प्लस 1 यानी 1 अपॉन टी एंड माइनस माइनस प्लस हो जाएगा यहाँ पर d प्लस c, 1 अपॉन टी प्लस c. इट मीन्स 1 अपॉन 1 माइनस tan x प्लस c, क्योंकि 1 अपॉन टी स्क्वायर का डिफ्रेंशिएशन आएगा माइनस 1 अपॉन टी और माइनस माइनस प्लस. ओके, द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 26. cos root x by root x, let root x equal to t. The differentiation of root x is 1 by 2 root x dx equal to dt. Okay, now 1 by 2 is 2 times dt. The integration of cos root x by root x dx. Okay, so dx upon root x equal to 2 times dt. It means 2 times cos t into dt. Okay, so now the different integration of this is 2 sin t plus c. Now put the value of t, 2 sin root x plus c. Okay,